Today we are taking the train from Paris to Provence. Let's go. We're going on tour! Okay, we made it to Provence. We took the train from Paris down here and we're staying in this amazing villa with our family, and for the next few days we're just going to be exploring some of the local towns and hanging out. It is so beautiful here, and so come along with us. Today we are going and exploring the city of Avignon. It's one of the last remaining walled cities in all of France, and that sucker's intact. Right behind me is the Pope's Palace, and we're gonna go explore inside and go up one of the towers and get an amazing view of the city. That's the window that when the Pope was elected, he would go and bless the crowd at. After 13 days traveling, Chase and I have finally found a washer and a dryer, and it's really great. I'm very happy to have some clean, fresh clothes. Avignon was really neat. I really like that town. I would recommend going there if you like little shops and history. There's a wonderful palace and a lot of cute culture and little squares to just meander and adorable little streets. Tonight we are gonna do a private cooking class. Our family booked it here at our villa in Provence, and I'm super excited because I've never done anything like that before. I think it's gonna be really fun and exciting. So come with us as we learn how to cook. St. Remy, France, where Van Gogh used to live and paint, and this is actually where he cut off his ear. So let's go explore. Okay, I just got this salt here that when we were doing our cooking class, she used this as finishing salt. It was like €4.75, so cute. Bring it back with us to the States, so definitely get this if you're here. Okay, I also got some truffle stuff from our cooking class last night. I got truffle oil and then this little like truffle shaker, which is really delicious. So we get to take some flavors of Provence home with us. today we are in Aix in Provence. Let's go check it out.